Hi everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I'm gonna show how to install HTTP Server 2.x and do some basic configuration of that. First, like installing Apache HTTP Server is not a big deal. I'll show you how to do it in simple manner. First, what you have to do is you need to download the Apache server. Then I'll use the binary file to download it. What you guys have to do, just type HTTP. I'm gonna download HTTP 2.443. In there's an archive they will give. You have to go it and find the file that you want to download. There are many files. I'm gonna right click on and copy link. That's okay. You may click in here and it will download it directly. But I'm gonna use a wget util to download my file. In here, as you see, there's no file. I'm using wget and file name. It can download it to my machine. Okay, connected and it's downloaded. Okay, now you see it's downloaded. Okay, guys, be aware that you must be in root user too. It's better. Otherwise, in a normal user, it will be harder to manage some stuff with the Apache proxy. And now I unzip the file tar-svf and httpd. There's a folder created, name http 2.443. I'll go inside that folder. And there's a command to type it. Okay, I already typed it. I will leave this command in the description and check it. Okay, this is the command /configure and enable proxy httpd, and this is the command. Okay, when you guys press enter, yeah, this is not installing. I'll show you again. Okay, it says there's no apr-util and this such thing. Let's fix this. Even everyone installing this Apache proxy might have to fix these issues. Let me troubleshoot this. Why this happen is when we are compiling the Apache, some util. First, we may need to install the devel util. I also add this command to the description. This is the command yum util and sy storing. Okay, it's installed. Then again, rerun the command. Let's see. Okay, then again, it's not like cannot executable. Let me check this. Maybe I have to fix it like creating a manual folder or some stuff. Okay, this happened. I think we may have to install development tools. Like this. There are some other tools also have to be installed, I think. If it's not working, what you guys have to do, you have to make a folder. You guys have to download some tool name apr-util. Okay, it's inside. It's already available in the Apache archive. Then you guys have to unzip those things and make a folder name apr and apr-util. When you are and move those to the when you configure the Apache proxy, use that apr-util path as a reference. Then it will sort the issues most of the time. If not, let's see what's happening in here. What I did was I installed that. I've been trying to configure this Apache proxy. Then it shows some error. Then again I installed apr-devel and apr-util-devel. Then it's like the devil packages. Like after those, there might be some other error. So in some missing dependencies, tcc garbage collect compile is not working and make file is not available and such thing. Then I use yum group install development tool minus I. I'm using yum, hence I'm using a CentOS. You guys using a Debian or Ubuntu, you can use apt install. Then it's installing. It will take some time to install. There are like 242 modules required. It depends on your internet speed and your machine. So I have 4 CPU and 16 GB RAM. 16 GB, maybe 12. I think. This is actually a cloud-based, but this is a normal performance. See, kernel level is also being installed. Let's wait for a few seconds. It will be familiarized with this issues guide also. I'll add these issues in the my Git repo, and I will attach my Git repo link in the description. If you want to check, you can check these issues as well. And this may be sort out future issues as well. Okay, seems all the 242 modules are installed. And again, I'm running this configure command. Let's see. Okay, there's another issue came. Let's check what is that issue. There may be plenty of issues you guys are facing while you are configuring Apache, because for some it may take other modules as what in here is. Let's read the issue line. Check in APR, it says supportability utilities, GCC okay, compiler, yeah, cross compiling. No, this may be some, I think we need pcre as well. Okay, it's installed. Let's see. It seems it's working now. If not, it earlier so there. What I did was I installed the environment dependency and I just run this command. Okay, let's build config version, server version. Okay, install inside USR local. Okay, install prefix you can define somewhere you want to install, but okay, I let it to be the default in the USR local. Let me go to the USR local. Okay, guys, let me go to the business. We have in here. Why can't I find it? Just give me a second. I think before that, I think it's not here. I have to make install. Okay, I don't like this path. I'll change some configuration. Okay. I mean, this is the location. Install is the location where I am. I don't need to install my Apache 2 proxy in serving somewhere else. I will install in here. I'll show you how to install that. Okay. This like think this is the command. I'm gonna install. Sorry, I'm gonna show you guys. I'm how to install in same location. Enable proxy. Okay. In here, after the config, I'm adding a path. Okay. Prefix equal /hms slash installs slash apache 2. Okay. I'm giving a location. It will make a location. Let's see. No such a file. Sorry, I have to move inside this. Again, I press this. It will compile some files. Okay, checking the environment dependency and everything. If it works, it will show. Just wait. Okay. Okay, I changed the location. Okay, I just added a new plugin here. That's it. Now, what you guys have to do is press make. Okay, this will take, I think, maybe it. If you have done again, it will use the cache. Now this is being built in. Just wait, guys. After this make, we have to do one more command, make install. In the description, I will clearly mention all the steps, and I will add the git link repo and my blog article report for this one. Then you guys will easier find it out. Also, I'll add the issues in the article. Then those will be easy to fix in later. And I'll tell also make a description note about those config command and what each module do and what are the use case of those, and some other command which I haven't used also I will include in the description note. We just guys go to the document if need anything, or you may even use some AI tools to sort it out. But what I feel is when going through the most of the AI tool, the issues are not able to fix for this Apache and some configuration level thing. But anyhow, let's wait for a second. Okay, guys. Now this one is completed. Again, next command, make install. Okay. Let's see, it's making directories and other thing. It will may take some few more seconds. In depend on your machine's performance and some other stuff, make command will take some time. If you have less CPU and other thing, it will take bit slower. And just wait. Okay, guys, seems it's completed. Okay, I'm going back to my prefix path. You see, okay, there's Apache 2 working. I'm going inside that. Okay, there's, you may see this is my prefix location. Proxy has been, module has been installed. In next video, I'll show you how to configure the Apache proxy. And up to now, let's check whether it's working. Okay, what you guys have to try /Apache CTL -k start. -nlptu. I don't have. See, Apache is working. Okay, it's at least listening. We haven't configured. In next video, I'll show you how to configure. I type ps aux grep Apache. It shows the path right there. If you want to stop it, what do you guys have to type? /Apache stop. Okay, guys, it's not working. Thank you so much for the video and thank you so much.